Okay. So now let's see here. Oh, there we go. So you're the one that orchestrated all of this today. Got your sister, got your mom. You're gonna be, as what mom says, getting a whooping later. But nice, okay. Alright, so we got neck, shoulders, upper back, lower back. What happened?
Just like stiffness, really.
Okay.
Like I feel like from sleeping on my side a lot, like I feel like I sleep funny, so like my neck, like doing that and that like hurts.
Okay.
And like lower back, it's not all the time, but I do notice it like stiff sometimes for sure. But like
So
neck and shoulder stiffness.
Is the main.
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been watching the videos for it?
Oh, a long time, like years. Probably like 4 or 5 years I've been watching.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Well, see, now that I'm here, it's not like you had to travel or whatnot, like a crazy distance, but okay. So this one, you notice a little bit of stiffness with that? Okay. Now, you have been adjusted before, correct?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Alright, so then you'll be able to see the difference, I guess. Let me have you go face down for me. Let's check the leg length. Alright, so left leg is pulling shorter than the right. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
In there is tender.
Okay. So we had more kind of around C3, C4, then even C5, C6.
In there, yeah.
Okay, so we got right in the mid-thoracic spine there. Any pain down here?
I mean, it's a little tender, but it's not super painful.
Okay. Yeah, you had like 1 or 2 that's a little bit out of alignment, doesn't want to move the greatest. That feels just a little tight right there. Up here. Get those little hairs out of the way. There we go. Whew. There we go. here. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table. Yep.
Never cracked a neck like that before, have you?
How did that feel?
Good.
Other arm up here. Okay. Go face down again for me. Okay, let's see how the lumbar spine is moving. Right here is about the only one that we need to work on. There we go. Let me have you flip onto your back. We're going to do that leg pull. You'll feel release in the ankle, knee, going up to the hip. There it was. Perfect. Yeah, rest right there. Now this, I can imagine, is what you've been waiting for. Just decompress your spine. Rest. Rest, yeah, good.
I felt good.
What did you feel? Yeah, I'll get this out for you.
Like just separation. Like good. I felt good, yeah.
Heck yeah. And you can turn here.
Yeah.
You're just like, let's go.
Yeah. I feel wow. So it's like out of body experience. It's like whoa.
How do you feel?
That was amazing. Like this is like
On a swivel.
yeah. Like I feel like I could see like all behind me like wow.
Heck yeah.
That's amazing.
Heck
Thank
yeah.
you.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.